Hi, I'm Kamil and I am the founder and artistic director of HCAC. Method Acting 104 Lee Strasberg is a really intensive, rigorous 12-session workshop crammed into 8 weeks. We're going to learn who Richard Boleslavsky was, who was Lee Strasberg's teacher, and also we're going to be really physical on our feet, on our toes, on our bodies, really unpacking Lee Strasberg's animal exercise, which is a tool that he developed to help actors begin to borrow from the world of animals to create distinct and compelling character behavior. We're also going to work on scenes and how you can begin to make strong, consistent, justified choices. So it doesn't matter whether it's TV, film, theater, commercials, voiceovers, you name it. In your choices lies your talent. Let's take it to that really next step of unleashing your talent and helping you be an absolute rock star. So join me in that workshop.